Welcome to Tiny Me TV.
Today's lesson is least common multiples. The least common multiple, also known as LCM of two numbers, is the smallest number other than 0 we can multiply both numbers by. Before finding the LCM, let's find out what it really means. We get a multiple of a number when we multiply it by another number, such as multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, just like our timetables. Here's some example. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 40. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Say we have listed the first few multiples of 4 and 5. The common multiples are those that found in both lists. The common multiples in both numbers are 20 and 40. The least common multiples is simply the smallest of the common multiples. The LCM between 4 and 5 is 20. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The LCM between 2 and 3 is 6. Can you find the LCM? What is the LCM between 3 and 5? The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. What is the LCM?
Is it 15?
Yes, great job! The LCM between 3 and 5 is 15. One more question. What is the LCM between 4 and 6? The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. What is the LCM? The LCM between 4 and 6 is 12. Yes, great job, Jaden. That is correct. The LCM between 4 and 6 is 12. Thanks for tuning in with Tiny Me TV. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time. Bye.